Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can change name and profile picture on Google Meet. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Google Meet application on your device, then get logged in into your account. Here at the homepage of Google Meet, you need to tap on the profile icon on top right side of the screen. There you need to tap on manage your Google account. Inside your Google account, you need to tap in the personal info. Little down inside the basic info section, there you can see the photo. Just below of it, you can see the camera icon over there. You need to tap on it. Here you need to tap on set profile photo. To set a profile photo, you can either take a photo or you can choose a photo from your gallery. So I'm going to tap and choose photo and upload it from my gallery. Now here you go in for choosing any of the photo that you want to keep it in your Google Meet or your Google account. Here you need to tap on accept, setting profile photo, and as you can see, your profile picture has been changed in the Google Meet or let's say in your Google account. Now to change the name, you need to tap on the name. Then you tap on the first name and go in for erasing the name and provide a current or provide a new name that you want to. Then go in for erasing the last name, then provide a new surname for yourself. After you are done providing a name, you need to tap on save. And with that, the name on your Google Meet or Google account has been changed to your preferred one. This is how you can change a profile picture and name in your Google Meet. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to change profile picture and name on Google Meet. Thank you.